welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay and you guys are watching 25 DIYs of Christmas. Welcome back to HoliDIY'S. The theme of this series is DIYs that are practical throughout the whole year, but also if you're catching this before Christmas, these will make really awesome presents. So this is a very simple tutorial, but it's super practical, and girls from not little, but like, you can stuff it with other things besides makeup, but all the way up to friends. And this is a super easy friend gift for you to do. I know as we get older, we have friends that we would love to gift, but it's just kind of out of our budget. So a makeup bag with a couple of our favorite pieces is a practical way to do this, but grandmas will love this, mothers will love this. So pick their favorites, pay attention to what their favorite products are, and give them a couple of their favorite products in a DIY makeup bag. So let's get going. All right, guys, we're gonna make some cute makeup bags with makeup bags I found from the dollar spot. I love giving makeup bags during the holidays or for birthdays because they are customizable and then they're fillable. I love filling them with little doodads, inexpensive things. If you have teen girls in your life, makeup is always fun, nail polish is always fun. But all I did was used some HTV, Caesar HTV from shopauntietay.com, and I got them in coordinating colors. So I put white on the pink and melon on the white. So that's the two colors I'm using in this video. I'm also using our gold glitter HTV, which is my favorite, and the mini easy press. So I like to just put my hand inside of whatever I'm doing and hold it firmly against the easy press. Whenever it's something you're not gonna have to wash, I don't get crazy about making sure that it's on there very well, but again, it's Caesar iron-on, so it's gonna do just fine. All right, so the reason I love Easy Weed is it is easy to weed. You can see that I'm literally weeding it with my fingers. I'm not even using the weeding tool, and we're gonna do 2 layers. So I'm gonna start with the melon, and I'm gonna get that on there first. Sometimes I suggest putting the glitter on first because it's more durable and it'll be exposed later, but because I needed to center this completely, I decided to do the melon part first. And so I'm just gonna be careful to only touch the parts of the plastic that are plastic covered, and then I'm gonna go in with my Yor. You could protect this if you don't wanna hit your HTV with your iron, but I just kind of use the corner and make sure I get every little piece to adhere, and then I pull that plastic off, and then it is super cute and good to go.